got the assist for the first goal. Can he get another brilliant cross in? Selvin's ball in at the far post to Shubha, cleared away. Santi, and there's the final whistle. And listen to the Lajong fans. Shillong Lajong have a huge victory. Their second win in the final stage in the hunt for I-League promotion. And what a win the home crowd have been able to witness. Delight among the players and the fans. And it's a brilliantly passionate crowd who have cheered their team on, buoyed them on towards victory. An equaliser early in the second half. But right on cue, Vigo Sindai scoring the winner with 10 minutes left on the clock with a delicate header into the far corner. Look at the Lajong players cheering up the crowd. A sensational crowd getting to witness their team celebrate and pump them on. 2 games left for Shillong Lajong. They are now on 7 points. They are top of the table for the time being. As for Bengaluru United, they gave it a right good go all through the 90.